In triangle ABC, the measure of angle A is 54 degrees, the measure of angle B is 90 degrees, and the measure of angle C is k over 2 degrees. What is the value of k? So we have this triangle A, B, and C, and we're told that A, the measure of angle A, is 54 degrees, B is 90 degrees, and C is k over 2 degrees. Since this is a triangle, we know that all of the angles in a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. So that means A plus B plus C should add up to 180. So 180 equals A, which is 54, plus B, which is 90, plus C, which is k over 2. So now we have one equation with one unknown, so we can just solve for this unknown here. So first let's add 54 with 90. So we get 180 equals 144 plus k over 2. Now let's subtract 144 from both sides. And on the left-hand side, we get 36. And on the right-hand side, the 144's cancel out, and we're left with k over 2. So that means k over 2, which is the measure of angle C here, that's equal to 36 degrees. And if we want to solve for the value of k, then we can multiply both sides by 2, because that gets rid of the 2 in the denominator, and on the left-hand side, we'll just be left with 36 times 2, which is equal to 72. So that means k equals 72. So the correct answer choice is C.